I'm doing a quick morning live. I think this is the last day of the class. One of the things I wanted to show you was all the resources that you could have. This is probably the one I use the most. The pocket reference. I have lots of notes in there. Things falling apart. I have one I could give away as a prize. I haven't done anything in here to earn prizes though, so that's silly of me. There's, this one's neat. It's called the Einkorn Cookbook. So einkorn is that pure wheat that has less, it's the ancient wheat, so there's less forms of gluten sensitivities when you use einkorn. I've learned about that. I shared this one with you in a different live. It's called Lucy Levita. There's an oil for that. This is a really neat one. There's a Facebook group that of oilers that uses the same one. It's called the Oil Bar, Essentially Everything. And I shared on my cooking or my vitality day, I shared from that, but there's all kinds of things in here, including how to use your starter kit, next oils you'll need, lots of DIYs. It's a really cool book. This is a great book by Lindsay Elmore. She's also a fantastic person to follow on Facebook. Essential Oils, 50 Answers to Common Questions about Essential Oils. And she goes through, like, are there any precautions before I diffuse? Is there a best way to use an oil? She goes through the chemistry. She's a pharmacist. Can I look for credible information? So, great resource. There's the French aromatherapy book. This one's by Jen O'Sullivan. She's another one of my favorites to follow online. This one's called Oil Share Repeat. So if it interests you at all to kind of do what I'm doing and share with your friends and become kind of an educator to your friends about oils, this is a super simple book on how to do that. This one I love, love, love. It's called Gentle Babies. So it takes you through like pregnancy all the way through birth, and sometimes when there's difficulties around all that stuff, like just some of the oils to use if you have a loss. And I know we don't want to think about that, but it's a really sweet book and tells you lots of precautions with babies and children. This one with my job I really love, Essential Oils, A Sensory Wonderland. So that's a great book for our friends who have big feelings and sensory needs. That's a really great resource. Yesterday, again, I shared with you Essential Oils and Animals. So that's a great book. Here's another one. The Truth from Jen O'Sullivan, The Truth About Essential Oils Without the Hype. Let's see, do I have anything else here in my stash of books? I'm sure I have other resources, and I access a ton of groups online. But I just wanted to come in and say there's lots and lots of ways to be educated. Facebook isn't the only way. In person isn't the only way. And I have a lot of resources if anybody needs them. You can definitely contact me. Okay.